Kindly like, share and subscribe the channel. Press the bell icon.
The registration for Common Admission Test (CAT) for admission to major B colleges and including the premier IIMs as well. The registration will begin from 8 September 2018 and it will end on 19 September 2018. The admit card will get released on 24th October 2018 and the exam is scheduled on 25th November 2018. Now let's come to the main point, the eligibility criteria of IIM. For all the general and OBC candidates, the candidate must hold at least 50% marks or equivalent CGPA in the graduation course by a recognized university or educational institute in India. Coming back to reserve candidate, for SC/ST candidate and PWD candidate, they are getting a 5% relaxation. That is, they should hold 45% marks or equivalent CGPA in their graduation score by a recognized university or educational institute in India. The Common Admission Test is a computer-based test held in India. The test scores a candidate on the basis of quantitative ability, verbal ability and reading comprehension, data interpretation and logical reasoning. The Indian Institute of Management started this exam and used this test for selecting students for their business administrative program. This test is conducted every year by one of the IIM based on a policy of rotation.
Kindly like, share and subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.